Hello guys. What are you doing today?
Salt baked fish.
Yeah. Salt baked fish is a very old method used to cook the fish perfectly, deliciously. It's very easy and versatile. Do it in the oven or on the barbecue, as you see all over Thailand street food. Cooking whole fish baked in salt, it has been done for 2000 years. It's very quick and pretty much perfect. The Thai street food vendors coat the whole fish in salt and cook it on the barbecue, but the oven is just as good. The result is perfectly cooked fish, moist and succulent. Let's do it. Let's Katie tell you about all the ingredients today.
Flour, salt, lemongrass, galangal, coffee lime leaf, sea bass, rice noodles, vegetable.
Let's prepare herbs to put it inside the fish. The herbs will help absorb the fish smell and gently infuse the herbs into the fish fresh. Next, I'm going to mix salt with all-purpose flour, and I will coat the salt on the fish skin and gently season the fish as it cooks. And the last one is gently crisp the skin. Stuff fish first. So when you buy the fish in the market, you just tell the fish vendor, said you want to bake the fish, don't take the scale out, just take out the guts inside. So this one, I didn't tell them to cut the belly. Going down, and then we will coat it with salt. Sprinkle a little bit of water to keep the flour and salt stick it on the fish. Wet the fish a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna bake this fish in the oven. We use 170 degree